Being able to speak Welsh could change your child's life, and that starts with a bilingual education.
It was quite a big decision. My husband isn't from a Welsh family. Because of the fact that he doesn't speak Welsh, he didn't know whether he'd be able to help the children with homework, join in with what was going on. But yeah, he's absolutely fine with it now.
Mae rhwng 60 a 75% o boblogaeth y byd yn ddwyieithog.
All of our correspondence is done bilingually, so we have apps, we have newsletters.
The vast majority of parents are in the same situation, so there's no need to worry.
Building that ethos up of what Welsh means and what the heritage is, the Welsh culture. We try to incorporate that as much as possible in our day-to-day running of the school, really.
Everything is bilingual. Children pick up Welsh so fast. 100% the right decision for us to send our children to a Welsh school, so we're not looking back now, and we're thrilled.
Mae yna dros 20 o ddarparwyr cyfrwng Cymraeg cynradd yma ym Mhywys, ac mae dros 50% o'n disgyblion ym Mhywys yn derbyn addysg cyfrwng Cymraeg. To find out more, search for Destination Bilingual.